morning, everybody. Yesterday, myself, Bogan, and the Frugal RVer drove towards Zion to meet up with another very special person that was part of our nomadic family, Tyler J. Miller. He is a canyoneering and rock climbing instructor in Zion, so we came here to meet up with him. He is taking us out today. Half of us are really excited and scared, half of us are just excited. And we're gonna go canyoneering. So Tyler's getting gear for us ready at his work. Derek is freaking out because he's terrified of heights and he's just not okay. Payson's pumped. Payson, how excited are you for the hike? I am! The most excited.
How was that, Amanda?
Intense.
The rock and grab that next piece.
Yeah,
we got it.
Good work.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna make the next move. Right here. Can you put your feet over here? Yeah. And let's take a step. Nice. You're doing so good.
Good job, Kate. Yeah, you're doing it. Daddy was like, "Show me you're doing it." Like real time struggle.
This is good. My lie dog is getting put in the video.
Oh wow. You want your legs perpendicular to, I guess parallel with gravity. Easy, Daddy.
I'm coming.
Dude, you got it.
He's coming for you.
Slowly but surely.
So we made it back. How was it?
Awesome.
Amy, how was it?
Awesome!
What fear did you have to face today?
Freaking frogs, man.
Derek and I had to climb some gnarly shit. Thanks to Tyler, Quinn, and Amy back there. They helped all of us, including Payson, do this epic canyon hike. And now we're walking back. It was a great day.